going to show you how to use a Powerlink3 control unit. The Powerlink3 is a control switch interface unit designed to allow the user to operate two electrical appliances simultaneously with a switch. The device has a flexible handle, so it's easy to carry, and you can wrap the cord actually in this cord minder here with the Velcro, which is very nice and portable. First, I'm going to show you how to use it. You're going to take the cord of the Powerlink and plug it into an outlet on the wall. And then you're going to take your switch and plug it into the switch 1 port. And we're going to use outlet 1 and plug in this fan. We have a fan plugged in. You can actually operate two appliances at the same time, but I'm just going to model one first. There are 4 settings. The time seconds, so I can allow my device to operate from 1 second to 60 seconds. So I have it set for about 5 seconds. And when I hit my switch, the fan will operate for 5 seconds. And then it'll turn off, just like that. And the switch will operate 2 appliances at the same time. So I can have my light and my fan operate with the switch for 5 seconds. So I hit the switch, and both the fan and the light come on for 5 seconds, and then they turn off. So that's the time second setting. I can switch it to direct, and my switch can operate both the fan and the light while I hold down the switch. I have to hold down the switch in order for it to activate, and then when I lift off, it goes off. When I hit the switch again, it activates. That's the direct setting. The next setting is the latch setting, and that's when I hit my switch, it will turn on both devices, and then when I hit it again, it'll turn it off. So here, latch setting turns it on, and then I hit the switch again, and it turns off. My last setting here is the timed in minutes. So I use the same timer dial, and I can set it for 1 minute to 60 minutes. I'm going to set it for 1 minute, so when I hit my switch, both the fan and the light come on for 1 minute, and then they'll automatically turn off after the minute is up. And as I said before, you can use 2 appliances for 1 switch, and I can also use 2 switches. So if I plug in another switch into the switch 2 port, I can plug in 2 more appliances, and this switch will operate these 2 appliances that are plugged in here. Now I can't use the 2 switches at the same time, so it's great for turn taking. So if I'm in a small group and I want one student to activate the fan and the other student to activate the light, I'll plug in the light into the outlet 2 port. When this fan's done operating, then my student over to my right can operate the light. So I'm just going to switch this because 1 minute seems to take a long time here. I'm going to go back to my timed seconds. I'm going to set it for 5 seconds. So my student on the right can now operate the light for 5 seconds. And then my student to the left can operate the fan for 5 seconds. So some really great activities that you can do with students is you can do a lot of cooking activities. You can plug in a blender. One student can operate the blender. You can plug in a microwave. The other student can operate the microwave. People do popcorn poppers that plug in, toaster ovens, so it's great for cooking activities in a small group setting. Also for job and work ideas, you can operate an electric stapler, do a shredder, have a pencil sharpener working, or a vacuum cleaner, so a student can help others perform job tasks. For environmental controls, you can operate fans, lights, radios, anything that can be plugged in. And for entertainment, you can operate an electric disco ball or a karaoke machine or holiday lights that may be around, and just for fun. So these are some ideas that you can do with a Powerlink3. Thank you very much.